Hi, today we're gonna make a peanut butter jelly sandwich on a plate. And first we need bread. So get the bread out. And then we put the peanut butter jelly on the peanut. So, and then we get a spoon, put it in here, and then get a big scoop, then put it on here, and then we keep rubbing. And then we put the peanut butter. And then the jelly, I don't know this again. Oh, guys, you didn't see that? I didn't know. Ooh, jelly. And guys, he's right there, little Kingy. Just staring at me, just doing a video. And then we put the bread on, and 3, 2, 1. Oh! Now it's time to do the other one. Boom! And guys, look, oops, good. Looks yummy. Now it's time with the spoon. So that's how you make a peanut butter jelly sandwich. And bye, guys.
Is it good?